Number 3. In the figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. Okay. Now ABC, see this is the diagram. Triangle ABC and triangle BDC. They all lie both on the common base BC, and AD intersect BC at O. This is AD and this is BC, which intersect each other at O. We have to show that area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. This is the question. Okay. Now, to prove this, we need a construction. Without construction, we won't be able to solve this. क्योंकि हमें triangle ABC और triangle DBC इनको similar proof करने के लिए भी हमारे पास कुछ sufficient elements नहीं है. So let us draw a construction. एक construction कर लेते हैं इसमें. एक perpendicular draw कर लेते हैं. Okay. So let us draw. यहाँ से एक perpendicular AE from A to BC. यहाँ पे एक perpendicular draw कर लेते हैं AE. एक और सिमिलरली DF, दिस इज DF परपेंडिकुलर ऑन BC. ठीक है. सो लेट AE परपेंडिकुलर टू BC एंड DF परपेंडिकुलर टू BC. नाउ सॉल्यूशन प्रूफ हियर. नाउ कैन आई राइट कि in triangle can I prove these two triangles similar, AEO और DOF, AEO एंड DFO को यहाँ पे एक 90 डिग्री मिल जाएगा और ये वर्टिकली अपोजिट में एंगल मिल जाएगा. AA से दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो जाएंगे, राइट. देन आई कैन राइट देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड AE अपॉन FD is equal to AO upon DO in the same ratios, right. Then I can find the area of a triangle ABC also, half into base into height, and also I can find the area of triangle BCD, half into base BC and height FD, right. And I can find the ratio of triangle ABC and DBC, and then we will try to prove the given, right. I mean ask. So let's start. First of all, I am going to prove triangle AOE and triangle DOF similar. How? I can write angle AEO is equal to angle DFO each 90 डिग्री, कि हमने वहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन किया है, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया है, और एक वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है AOE is equal to DOF vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOE is similar to DOF by AA criteria, right. So since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So I can write AE upon DF is equal to AO upon DO, right. Give it number 1. Now I am going to find the area, ratio of the area of triangle ABC and DBC by applying the formula. Area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equals to half into base into height upon half into base into height. Here half, the base of ABC is BC, common base है दोनों का, और height perpendicular उस पे AE है, upon half, यहाँ भी base आपका common base है BC and perpendicular is DF. Now half cancel, BC cancel. Then what is the ratio? The ratio is coming AE upon DF, right. Now see here, AE upon DF is equal to AO upon DO. So can I replace this AE upon DF by AO upon DO? Yes. So AO upon DO from 1. So have you proved that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO, which was our required TPT. Hi student, let's begin with question number 4. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. What is the question? The question is that the areas of two similar triangles are equal. Means we have given a two similar triangle and as well as their areas are equal. This is also given to us. So this is the diagram ABC, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here the triangles are congruent, and we have to prove that these triangles are congruent. It is given that ABC is similar to DEF and area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF, and we have to prove that these two are congruent. So you know that if the two triangles are similar, then we can write the ratio of the areas of the two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side, right? So according to that, we can write the area of triangle ABC upon DEF is equal to AB upon DE whole square is equal to BC upon EF square is equal to AC upon DF square. Okay, and what next, that I'll explain you later. Let us finish till here. Now it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is given, right? Therefore, you know that the ratio of, by the theorem, ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, right? So by this theorem we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. So their corresponding side is AB upon DE square is equal to BC upon EF square is equals to AC upon DF square, isn't it? Now, it is given that the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF are equal, isn't it? ये दिया है कि दोनों triangles का area equal है. तो can I write कि ratio of triangle ABC, the area का जो ratio होगा वो हो जाएगा 1, DEF is equal to 1 since they are equal. This is equal, तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि it is equal to 1. So can I write here कि therefore AB upon DE square is equal to BC upon EF square is equal to AC upon DF square is equal to 1, because it is the area of triangle ABC upon DEF is equal to AB upon DE square equal to BC upon EF square equal to AC upon DF square. तो ये तो अभी 1 हो गया ना अपना. So this all equal to 1. Can I solve this? Can I take the square root and can I write कि AB upon DE, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF is equal to 1. Yes, and therefore we can write कि AB मतलब all are equal to 1. So AB upon DE is equal to 1, right? So from this I will get by cross multiplication 1 upon 1. I'll get AB is equal to DE, isn't it? This is my number 1. Similarly, also I have BC upon EF which is also equal to 1. So here also by cross multiplication I will get BC is equal to EF. This is number 2. And third, AC upon DF. So AC upon DF is also equal to 1, which will give me AC equal to DF by cross multiplication. This is number 3. Now see in triangle ABC and DEF. Here we prove that AB is equal to DE, BC equal to EF and AC equal to DF. So we can write the triangles are congruent by SSS congruence criteria. Therefore, we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SSS congruence criteria.